This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and in today's video I will show how you can make it so that your camera will automatically track the object or the person once it detects them. So to start, you will need to take your phone, launch the ARLO Secure app, then go into the devices section. Here tap at the camera you would like to enable this feature for, then go into its settings, video settings, go all the way to the bottom of this page and enable the auto zoom and tracking. And as you can see from the description of this feature, once the camera will identify object and once the camera will identify some object or human being, it will start tracking it and zooming into such object or human. Anyway, that will be it for this video, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.